How many Atkins protein shakes can I drink a day? 2 Atkins shakes. Sugar-free gelatin desserts and up to 2 Atkins shakes or bars coated for induction are allowed. Each day, drink at least 8 8-ounce portions of approved beverages, water, club soda, herb teas, or moderation caffeinated or decaffeinated coffee and tea. This will prevent dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. This count can include 2 cups of broth, not low sodium, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. Take a daily iron-free multivitamin/multimineral combo and an omega-3 fatty acid supplement. If an individual is iron deficient, then supplementation is fine. Learn to distinguish hunger from habit and adjust the quantity as appetite decreases. Eat only until satisfied but not stuffed. If not sure, wait 10 minutes, have a glass of water, and eat more only if still unsatisfied. If not hungry at mealtime, eat a small low-carb snack. No starving or skimping on fats is necessary. Don't assume that any food is low in carbs. Read the labels on packaged whole foods to discover unacceptable ingredients, and check their carb counts. Subtract grams of fiber from total grams. Also use a carbohydrate gram counter. When dining out, be on guard for hidden carbs. Gravy is usually made with flour or cornstarch, both unacceptable on Atkins. Sugar is often found in salad dressing and may even appear in coleslaw and other deli salads. Avoid any deep-fried or breaded food.